In this video, we will see the next way to express concentration, and that is normality. Normality is denoted by capital N, and let us see the definition for normality. It is the number of gram equivalent of the solute dissolved in per liter of the given solution. What is important here, student, is number of gram equivalent, and here the per liter means the volume of the solution. Now first, before going for the formulas, let us see what is the meaning of number of gram equivalent. So number of gram equivalent is simply equivalent weight or mass expressed in gram. Now what is the meaning of this equivalent weight or equivalent mass? Equivalent mass of any substance is equal to the molar mass of the substance upon replaceable H plus or OH minus ions. What is the meaning of H plus and OH minus ion? If it is an acid, then it will give H plus ions, and if it is a base, it will give you OH minus ions. For understanding this particular concept, let us take some examples. So let us see the first example, that is HCl. If I consider HCl, it will give me H plus and Cl minus ions. If I see this H plus and Cl minus, how many H plus ions I am getting? I am getting only one H plus. And therefore, if I see the molar mass of HCl, that is 36.5 divided by replaceable H plus is 1. So its equivalent mass will be equal to 36.5 gram. Now what I consider if H2SO4. If I see the formula here, I can see that it is having 2H plus. So it will give me 2H plus plus SO4 2 minus. So what is the molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 divided by replaceable H plus. How many H plus it is giving, students? 2. So what will be its equivalent weight? Will be 49. Let us take the example of phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. If I split this, it will give me 3H plus plus PO4 3 minus. What is the molar mass of phosphoric acid? Phosphoric acid is 98 gram divided by 3. So this will give me 32.66 or 67. But it's very important to see that what appears in the formula may be misguiding many times, because when I consider oxo acids, it is always important that you should draw the diagram or the structure of the oxo acids to check how many H plus or OH minus ions are present. For that, please check the video on how to draw the structures for oxo acids. Let me take one more example here, and that is H3PO3. What you call this is phosphonic acid. This is, students, phosphonic acid. Now if I see the molecular formula here, I can immediately say that its molar mass must be divided by 3. But if I see the structure for this, it will be phosphorus attached to this type of 2OH radicals in this way. So if I see that the molecule is having only 2 OH minus ions. So if I calculate its molar mass, it will be 82 divided by, according to the formula, it should be 3, which will be wrong. So it must be divided by 2. So what will be the molar mass here is 82, while its equivalent mass will be 41 grams. So to calculate equivalent mass or equivalent here mass for the molecules, it is always better to draw the structure for the oxo acids. Now let us see the formula to calculate normality. Now let us see the formula. So normality is equal to, now let us see the formula. It is equal to number of gram equivalent of the solute upon volume of the solution. This will be in dm3. Can I reframe this equation? So that will be equal to number of gram equivalent of the solute upon volume of the solution in cm cube. Now as I am taking the unit for volume as cm cube, I must multiply this by a factor of 1000. Can I put this same equation in one more form? Here I will replace this number of gram equivalent by the formula. So it will be given mass of the solute in gram upon, now students, it won't be molar mass, it will be equivalent mass of the solute in gram multiplied by volume of the solution in dm cube. So this is how you calculate the normality of the solution. Students, if it is written that the solution is 1n, what it means? That the solution is 1 normal. If it is 0.5 n or n by 2, it means it is semi-normal. Similarly, 0.1 n or 1 by 10 n or n by 10, then how you will say? This is deci-normal. Very important when you solve MCQ questions. Next is 0.01 normal or 1 by 100 n or n by 100. Then what you will call this? It is called centi-normal solution. Now let us solve some problems based on this normality. So let us solve this problem, students. A solution is prepared by dissolving 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. So write down given. What is given here is mass of the solute is given, which is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. You know the molar mass of HCl, and that is, here it is HCl is the solute. So this is 36.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Why I am taking this also in kg? Because the given mass of the solute is also in kg. And next, the volume of the solution is given, and the volume of the solution here is 400 cm cube. So this is what is given data. What you need to calculate here is equivalent mass or the number of gram equivalents. To calculate that, I need the molar mass and the number of replaceable H plus ions. If I see HCl, student, this HCl molar mass, if I see here, it is 36.5. How many replaceable H plus are here? Is only 1. So its equivalent mass is also 36.5 upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. So here it will be 36.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. So here its molar mass and equivalent mass both are same because there is only one replaceable H plus. Now let us calculate normality. Normality is equal to, if you want you can calculate the number of moles here, but I will substitute this in the direct formula. Given mass of the solute in kg upon its gram equivalent or gram equivalent mass in kg into volume of the solution. Here the volume of the solution is in cm cube. So I will take this in cm cube, and so I need to multiply the equation by 1000. Let us substitute the values now. It will be 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 36.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 400 into 1000. So what all things will get cancelled here? This I will cancel in this way. So what I am left with, 1.2 into 10 upon 36.5 into 4. As usual, I can shift the decimal places here now, this to one place and this to one place. So what I will get is 120 upon 365 into 4. Let us go by log now. Log of 120 is how much students? It is 2.0792, and log of 365, I will make a total of this 365 plus log of 4 here. So this will be 2.365 log is 5623 plus log of this, it will be 0.6021. So the total will come to 1644, and this will be 3.1644. Let us subtract this log value from this. So it will be 3.1644. So I will get a difference of 9148. This will come to bar 2. So if I see the anti-log, here the answer will be 0.08219. So this is how you will make the calculation. So answer is 0.08219 normal. Let us solve the next problem. Now let us see this problem, students. A solution is prepared by dissolving. So what is given? You can solve this along with me now. Given is mass of solute. Here solute is sulfuric acid. So it is 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Molar mass of the solute is 98 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Let us calculate the equivalent mass here. So equivalent mass of the solute is equal to, it should be 98 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now if you see H2SO4, you find here 2 H plus ions. So its molar mass will be divided by 2. So what is its equivalent mass? 49 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Right, students? Now let us calculate the normality. But before going for normality, what all things are given here is the volume of the solution is given. That is 400 cm cube. And I can calculate now gram equivalents. Gram equivalent is equal to, how much is the given mass? So given mass upon equivalent mass. So this is equal to 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 49 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it will give me 0.2 mole. This and this will get cancelled. So it will be 0.2 mole. Now let us calculate normality. Normality is equal to, what is the formula I will use here, is gram equivalent of the solute upon volume of the solution in dm cube. Now it is given in cm cube, so I will continue with cm cube, but care is taken, I must multiply this by 1000. Right, students? So it will be number of moles, how much? 0.2 upon 400 into 1000. Let us simplify this. So it will be in this way. So I will get it as 2 by 4. And so the answer here will be 0.5 normal. So this is how you do the calculation for normality. Thank you, students.